In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can use the floor.math function to round a number to an interval of your desire. So here we have an example with sales on given days. And let's just say we wanted them to round them to the nearest 5 for graphing purposes. To do this, we can do equals floor.math. And the first argument after you open the parentheses is the number that you want to round, which in this example is 49. Comma, the next argument is what significance, what number you want this to be grouped by, which in this example could be 5. And then the mode, which is optional, is applicable if you are rounding negative numbers and you want it to be going toward or away from 0. So now I'm going to close parentheses, and this is a positive number, and you can see we round this number down to 45. Note, floor.math will round the number down and not up. And I'm going to copy and paste this down. And as you can see, the number at hand was rounded down to the lowest fifth interval of the number. And this is extremely helpful if you have some data that you're trying to group, as now you can use this to group the number of sales on each given day and kind of get a better understanding of what days were low and high sales. That's it. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.